Yo, what is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I know this video is going to be a little different from all the other videos that I've done. It's going to be an unboxing video, but this unboxing is going to be really special. I have a one-of-one product customly made for me, and you can have it too. So what I mean by that is, right here, I have my package, and this is the first time I'm opening this. Like, I'm doing this legit on camera. So a company reached out and told me to DM them because I wanted a ECU cover, and their Instagram name is cover_brothers official, and really nice people over there, man. The customer service is great, and honestly, I couldn't even be more happy with how fast it got here. Like, we started talking on Tuesday. That Tuesday got shipped out. It is now Thursday, the day you should be seeing this, and yeah, so I just can't wait to open this thing and actually show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so make sure nothing else is. Alright, cool. So the packaging so far is like outstanding. It's like second to none. So there's no way that it can get damaged during shipping, because this is the third layer. Alright, so alright, here we go. Oh man. Alright. Well, here it is, everybody. Oh man. So here it is. That's so fire. That is so fire. Honestly, thank you so much, Cover Brothers, man. This is official. Reason why I chose to go with this logo is because this is what I'm doing my channel on. This is what I'm gonna base my merch around in the future, if you know, if it gets to that point. But honestly, this is everything. Like, this is exactly everything I wanted. This is for my K-Pro. So basically how it works is, I told him, hey, you know, I'm interested in a cover. He was like, yeah, you know, we do it 45. It's 45 plus $7 flat rate shipping, and as you see, it came in real quick. And I told him I have a PND ECU, and honestly, it matches perfectly. This is one of a kind. It even says K. So I'm pretty sure he can do B series for S300s, P28s, H series, whatever. Just, if you guys are interested, I would take the step and do it, because it's a small detail. Yeah, maybe no one's gonna see it, but honestly, this is one piece that I'm honestly happy to have on my build. And shout out to you guys, man. You guys are so awesome over there. Man, I'm actually lost for words. I really don't know what to say. I thought I was gonna have a lot more to talk about, but I actually just want to get this installed. So let me go ahead and find a screwdriver and put this on. Alright, so on the back where the actual design like lays is here. And this is what the ECU looks like with the cover on. And honestly, it looks good. Wow, I'm really at loss of words. So, quick backstory on this, right? A couple weeks back, Ghost Boy Aki actually posted a picture of his ECU, and it was just like this, but it said "keep gunning" on it, obviously. For those of you who know him, that's his movement, and I 100% support it. You know, he's a great guy, always gives back. But I wrote in the comments saying I need one, and every time you say something in the universe, follow through with it, man. You really gotta like believe in yourself, because no one's gonna do it for you, and no one's always gonna give you a helping hand. Know what I mean? So he actually DM'd me, like I said, on Tuesday. No, he didn't DM me, I'm sorry. He mentioned me and was like, DM us for your custom cover. So I was like, you know what? Alright. So, you know, I'm filling them out, trying to see like how much it was or whatever. And like I told you guys, it started off as like $45. I basically told him, I said, I want this logo on my ECU cover. And he was like, yo, that's sick. Yeah, let's do it. So I went ahead and I sent him the money, and yeah, he came out with this. It was like keeping me updated as it was going on, and I was actually like a part of the process of it being made. Like he was sending me updates of like when it was on the machine and getting scanned and everything and like etched. And I wanted originally it to be black, like everything black, but he was like, the etching makes it white, so it's pretty much out of his like hands to do it. But honestly, looking at it in person, the video or the glamour shots aren't even gonna do it justice of how good it looks. Like if you look at it in person, it looks amazing. So honestly guys, if you guys want your ECU cover, please hit them up, man. They're great people. They support the underdogs and us little people at the bottom, you know what I mean? So shout out to them, man. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna give you guys some shots of the ECU.
Peace and respecting the U fan, the U fan respecting the true fans. The Glock 9 is on me in the booth, right here. All I talk is that real shit, the true fan.
The money turn your bitch into a gold digger. The money got me feeling like the old jigger. And Jigga even told me you a cold nigga. They ain't believe me, I was broke, but I showed niggas. And I told niggas that I would expose niggas. Went to buy a pair of sneaks, landed at the road.